Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert fraction pi over 2 in Microsoft Excel. First of all, open your Excel document, then go to the Insert tab, find this equation, see this logo, then click here and click fraction. Now find these common fractions and select pi over 2. Then click here. Resize this box. Then you change your sentence, remove this what and type new sentence. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.